Life is a choice to give up, a choice to not give up. But for me, I refuse to give up. I refuse to lose. I refuse to complain. Yes, I will fight. Yes, I will struggle. Yes, I will succeed because I don't have a choice. But my choice is to fight and succeed. I will do that for my own self. Even you also, you can do that. Do something for your own self. It's up to you to have everything you need and to become what you need to become in the future. Of course, try to understand from here. In this life, we have three types of people. There's losers, there's winners, and there's some people who don't yet discover how to be the winners. But believe me that they all need some coaching. They all need some people to tell them what is good for them, how to carry their own life. It's almost like that. You see, as I was saying, you need to do something for your own selves. Don't complain. You have everything you need right now, but you have to do something for yourself because this is life. I don't have a choice, but my choice is to do everything for my own self. Even you have to do that. It's not because it's hard we have to say it's impossible. No. I repeat again. It's not because it's hard we have to say it's impossible. No. Everything you decide to do with yourself, you can do it. It's up to you. It's up to me. It's up to us to have everything we need in this life. If you ask other people who succeeded before to tell you their own stories, you cannot believe it because it's more than imagination. They have done something. Even when you ask you to imagine that, you can say no, human being can never do that. Of course, they did. That's why they are here right now, what they are. If you're gonna be there, you gotta fight, you gotta do how they have done to do the same thing. But it's not the same part. Same thing as to fight, same thing as not give up, same thing as to have everything you need, but not the same pathway. Life is almost like that. Your life is today, to fight to do everything. You know, a lot of people, they will say, yes, this life is easy. Of course, it's by the way you can imagine. But all those people who have big dreams, they will never say this life is easy because they know how much they are here to have and to receive some pains and to suffer a lot because they know now the meaning of life. That's why we said, to get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. It's almost like that. You gotta be hungry in this life. You gotta be hungry in this life to have everything you need. It's like that. Tell to life, I refuse to lose. I refuse to give up. I refuse to complain. Yes, I will fight. Yes, I will fight. Yes, I will struggle. Yes, I will do everything I need to have everything I need also in this life. This is life. I will do that for my own self. But I know that I can have some pains. Pain will never kill me. I know that. It will build me to be strong, to be warrior, to be glorious, to have everything I need. Because life is almost like that. Even you also, you can do that. Fight and never give up. Other people who succeeded before, you think that they have easy life? No. They was human being, they are human being, they will be human being as you are. But the difference is what? Because they don't need to give up. And they are warriors, they are fighters. Why not you? You can do the same thing. Because we have only one purpose and one goal in this life, is to succeed. I'm not telling you from here to have the same pathway as they have done. No, you don't know their pathway. Do what you can do for your own self. It's like that. You also can do. Your words is your own self. Your mindset is your legacy. Try to do something for your own self and tell to yourself, yes, I'm champion. Yes, I'm winner. Yes, I'm glorious. Yes, I will succeed. And believe me that if you do that and do something for yourself, do not give up, fight, struggle from the bottom of my heart, you're gonna succeed in your life. It's Story Farmer International, SFI, as all of you know, but forget about it. The thing is what? To tell you right now in this life, we have the right to give up. We have the right to not give up.